Hello guys, so welcome back to COSMASAIRDROP. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to deposit USDT into your OKX account. First of all, as a new user, if you have not used this OKX, all you need to do is to go to your Apple Store or Play Store and download it. So after that, go ahead and register into the platform. So before we continue, I would like you guys to go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell to stay alerted whenever we post a new video, and don't forget to like this video that you are watching right here if you actually love what you are doing. And if you want to join our community, you should go ahead and click on the link on the description, which is the link to our Telegram group, so that you will receive our day-to-day informations. So now, how can we actually deposit through the P2P in the OKX platform? So what we need to do is to actually click right here in the P2P trading. Now we're going to select the P2P trading instead of buy crypto through the Visa, MasterCard and other various ways that we are going to buy crypto. We're going to go straight and click on P2P. So we're going to see the different name of the active users that you can actually purchase USDT from. For example, if you want to purchase maybe the USDC or the BTC or the Ethereum, you should go ahead and click on it. For example, this is on the BTC purchase. So all you need to do is to go ahead and click on the buy right here. It is going to take you to the page of the buyer. So all you need to do is to go ahead and input the amount of Bitcoin that you want to purchase or USDT that you want to purchase. So once that is done, you're going to go for continue, wait for the verification, and boom, you will receive the cryptocurrency into your OKX wallet. It's easy, guys. So like I said, if you want to purchase for USDT, it's just the same processes. All you need to do is to select the amount of USDT that you want to purchase. Now you can see the price of different range of the traders right here, which are the P2P, person-to-person trade. Now, for example, here is actually the 1262.27, which differs from the lower price right here. And you can see the available crypto here is actually different from the available crypto here. These are the different rates and charges of the exchangers that you see that are active right away. Now I'm going to show you how to detect an active exchanger and how to know an inactive exchanger. For example, if you see this green button right here, it means that the exchanger is actually active. For example, look here, in Mr. Stones is not actually active, so you're not going to use this trade to buy crypto right now until you see a green button which shows that he is active. So once you notice that the buyer or the seller is actually active, you should go ahead and click on the buy. So once that is done, you are going to input the amount of cryptocurrency that you are going to purchase. The buyer or the seller is going to provide you with his or her account details, which are going to make the deposit. So if you have any issues in making your deposit or any reports, if you have any issues at all, you can go ahead and report it on our Telegram group or on the comment section, so that you will also show you the ways that you will process your reports. So guys, I'll be waiting for you guys on the next video.